everyone, hello and welcome back to Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Today's video is really very special because I am going to show you my favorite part in jewelry. I love accessorizing with different kind of jewelry, and what if I tell you that I am going to show you some very quirky fancy finger rings starting from a range of just 500 rupees. I know that is unbelievable and something like this, so if you rotate this ring it will rotate in that direction. How fancy is that? So let's see this kind of fancy beautiful finger ring starting from 500 rupees, which are perfect fit for gifting your family and friends during Sankranti or even upcoming Valentine Day. So without any further ado, let's explore this exciting video. Look at the gorgeous finger ring collection that we have got for you guys in today's video. They are not only fancy but also very quirky, which are super cute and super affordable, which you can gift to your family and friends. Also, we have got amazing offers which you guys should not be missing out on. So let's start with this beautiful piece. It looks very gorgeous. It looks like a gold finger ring, but it's not a gold finger ring. Look at the design. It looks so very cute, and you can see the small sizes of seized stones which are sparkling so nicely. The shine is what I like, and the price of this is 850 rupees, if you can see. Look at the way this looks so very gorgeous. This ring is absolutely beautiful. It's like a stackable finger ring, but we have given it a very nice finish. What do you feel about it? Mention it in the comment section down below. This one is a very beautiful ring. Look at the oval shaped pearls which are given into a cluster like this, and the base is made of silver here. It's pure 92.5 sterling silver used here, and the price of this is just 1000 rupees. And can you hear the sound of this beautiful pearls? It looks so very nice to wear this kind of quirky and stylish pieces which you can actually wear and set like a statement finger ring kind of a piece. I totally love this one. This one is a very regal finger ring. Price of this is 950 rupees, and if you see, it has this beautiful polish of rose gold. The base is made of silver alloy which is gold plated. Let me wear it and show it to you guys. Just look at the way it looks, so amazing, and the center seized stone is of premium quality. If you liked it, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the next piece is this one. This is pretty cute piece which is really very minimalistic, but look at the design. It's a button shaped pearl in the center and a seized stone of premium quality. Price of this is just 450 rupees, which looks very amazing to see. Just look at the way it just adds up to my hand. It looks very beautiful. Moving ahead towards the next party finger ring is this one. It's very affordable, but it is giving you a very grand look. The price of this is just 500 rupees. If you see, the base of this is made of silver alloy which is gold plated. Moving ahead towards the next finger ring is this one. It is a very big size regal finger ring which is so very majestic. Look at the center piece here. The center piece is made of pure seized stone of premium quality, and look at the colors stones also, they are of premium quality. Base is made of silver alloy which is gold plated, and the price of this is just 1850 rupees, but it is so very queenly, royal and regal finger ring. If you liked it, contact the WhatsApp number to place the order right now. Moving ahead towards the next exciting finger ring is this one. It is again a very queenly, majestic finger ring which is of a very big size like this, which is a perfect example of cocktail finger ring. If you see, it's a very big size seized stone and small size seized stone combination. Base is made of silver alloy which is gold plated, and if you see, the price of this is 1850 rupees, and in the price of 1850 rupees you're getting such gorgeous regal finger ring. The next finger ring is my personal favorite. So at the center you can see this beautiful dancing stone. If you see, I'm rotating it and it's dancing in the direction I'm rotating it. That's the stylish finish in this beautiful finger ring. The base is made of silver alloy which is gold plated, and you'll not find this kind of finger ring in the entire market. This is so very stylish, quirky and edgy. Price of this is 3000 rupees, but if you buy this, this will give you the looks and feel of beautiful beautiful diamond ring, like a solitaire diamond ring. So that's the reason why I like this concept of dancing finger ring. What do you feel about it? Mention it in the comment section down below. Next one is a minimalistic finger ring. Here, if you want to gift an affordable ring to your family or friends within a budget of 500 rupees, you can go for this beautiful pearl finger ring. Center you can see this beautiful button shaped pearl, and then you can see seized stones which are given very beautiful finish. The base is made of pure silver here, 92.5 sterling silver is used, and look at the way it looks, so very nice, beautiful and sophisticated. Look at these two finger rings. These are minimalistic finger rings. So I'm showing you two finger rings here. Here the base is made of a silver alloy, both the rings, but you can see it is gold plated, and here you can see it is in a polish of white gold. So you can see the way these two pieces are designed differently, but the price of these two pieces is 500 rupees. So in Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond you will find a lot of pieces like this. So within a budget of 500 rupees you will find so many varieties that you will not be disappointed once you check into the store. And these two finger rings are also again the similar example. In 500 rupees you are getting this beautiful pearl finger rings. Nobody will believe that these are just for 500 rupees, but look at it. It's just for 500 rupees, which you guys should not be missing out on. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I know that you guys totally loved this video and you cannot wait to come down to the store. I will tell you, just come down to the store, explore the variety available here. So if you have a budget of even 500 rupees, so in a tight budget of 500 rupees also, you will have hundreds of varieties available here at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, which you will not find anywhere else. So please come down to the store or even see our website where you will see a variety of these beautiful jewelry available from a range of just 500 rupees. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.